What's up guys, Benji D here from 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝, and today we're going to be reviewing the Zoom iQ6. Now this is by far one of the best external microphones for a phone that I've ever seen in my entire life. Well, first of all, I do record all of my videos on an iPhone. This is the iPhone 6 currently recording now, but I used to use the iPhone 7. Either way, they do record audio in mono and not stereo. And second of all, every time I record a video with my iPhone, the audio sounds horrible. It sounds crappy, it sounds muffled, it sounds moist. Even saying that sounds nasty. The microphone I'm currently using to record this video as of right now is the Yeti Blue Pro microphone. It is currently making me sound this sexy. The iQ6 records stereo audio. It has an adjustable knob for the feedback control right over here. For example, you could plug a headphone if you want to listen to your own voice and see if the audio levels are proper. And it also has 3 LED indicators over here. The bottom one is okay level, medium one is okay, you're getting a little bit too high, and the top one, it'll turn red, letting you know that you're talking way too fucking loud. Another cool trick you could do is actually adjust the dBs, that is the decibels of the audio. For example, it is currently on 90 dB. 90 decibels, and I could switch it over to 120 simply by twisting this. Check this out. 120. While this one is still on 90, I could also do the same. So twist 120 decibels. And it is that simple to change the audio levels. I keep mine at 90 simply because I like mine low so it doesn't pick up any minor background noises. I did have incidents where I recorded audio on Adobe Audition and lost it. It could have been an hour's worth of audio and I completely lost it, messing up the whole entire video, and I have to start the video over again. That pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from 𝐏𝐫𝐶, and I'm out. Oh, fuck. Peace.